Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to generate a paragraph of any topic using AI. So let's get started. Open your Chrome browser, select your profile, then type paragraph AI on Google. Now, as you can see on my home page, the first website Arrow, free AI paragraph generator. Select it. Now, uh, type down any topic line and it will create your paragraph. So I will type why photosynthesis is important or necessary and just type enter and then hit copy. Now it will take some time and it will create a paragraph out of your topic, fully coherent and complete. Now, as you can see here, it's loading. Now you can see here of 670 characters I got my whole paragraph about photosynthesis and why it plays a crucial role in plant kingdom. Now if you want to check any type of grammar mistake in this paragraph, just open your window and type free grammar checker. Now as you can see, this Quillboard, it's a free tool and you don't need a sign up for it. Just open this website. Just remember quillboard.com. It's a free website and you can check anything on it. Your grammar mistakes, your spelling mistakes, anything. Now paste that photosynthesis paragraph and it will check. Do you have any? Okay. Now it's checking. It will check your grammar mistakes if you have any. Now you can see it showing my errors as well as my accuracy rate. Now for using which line you have grammar error, just go to this and type. It will show the red create oxygen and just tap on rephrase and it will show you an errorless paragraph and that's it. Now you know how to use AI paragraph generator as well as grammar check free tool. I hope you like it. I will see you in the next one.